You can always tell when a guy is in his first relationship because out of nowhere, that man will know how to dress. Like I had a friend who had never been in a relationship before, and he was literally the type of guy that would wear neon green shirts and shorts to school. Yes, like at the same time. And he would pull his socks halfway up to his shins, but he did this because he genuinely thought it was cool. Well, fast forward to today, and all of a sudden this guy looks like he's fresh out of a GQ magazine. Like he's wearing stuff like Carhartt, Hollister, and I can guarantee you that he did not even know that brand existed last week. So I knew something was up. And when I asked him about it, he said, well, I've been talking to this girl, and I just made him stop right there. Because I knew at that moment that that girl gave him a full wardrobe change. Like, I just know she threw out everything he used to wear because his closet literally used to look like a rainbow sherbet ice cream. I kind of wish we would bring back the neon clothes, though. I'm sick of trying to look mysterious.